Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Super Tuesday, and there's a lot of people watching the election and primary results and see what it means for not only the country, but also what it might mean for agriculture on these leading contenders' views on the future of some of the issues in agriculture. Overnight, the beans are up a little bit, corn's unchanged, wheat's down a little bit, fairly quiet trade. Outside markets, though, are active. Global stocks are up on optimism of China's economy. We've also got crude higher and back over $34 a barrel. The New York Fed president said he's optimistic on China's economic transition. We also had one fund predicted a 20% Chinese stock rally as panic fades. Over in the grains, the Chinese look like they're going to be selling their corn reserve. This could lower their feed grain imports and domestic soybean meal feed use. This could also increase U.S. supply of DDGs and lower the U.S. soybean meal feed use. One group in Brazil raised their Brazil crop estimate 1 million tons to 100, and the Brazilian harvest is estimated to be about 33% done versus 29 average. The same group raised their Argentina soybean crop estimate 1 million tons to 60 million tons. The monthly U.S. winter wheat crop ratings went up in Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, dropped in Illinois, Montana, and Oklahoma, but in general, crops are rated above last year. Most crop watchers in the Midwest look at this 2-week forecast of normal to above temps, maybe normal rains, suggesting that U.S. 2016 corn crop could be planted 2 weeks earlier than normal. World weather estimated that March temps will be near normal, rains normal across the Midwest, could be above normal in the southeast, and maybe below in the north, and more of the same in April. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, oil, corn, and they bought meal. They continue to have short bean, meal, corn, and wheat positions going into the growing season. So expect kind of like a sideways trade. Some people think that slower demand could shift the range a little bit lower than what it has been, but that we could be pretty quiet going into the growing season. As always, these are my thoughts and not ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.